Hi guys! Looking for ways to transform your space? Here are some stunning accent wall ideas to inspire your next home makeover. From cozy mountain-shaped wooden panels with soft black lighting to sophisticated geometrical textures and modern industrial blocks. Whether it's a sleek workspace or luxury hallway, the right accent wall changes everything. Ready to go beyond standard? Now let's explore some unique and highly customized design statements. Let these creations inspire you. Recreate one or mix elements to make it completely your own. Mix materials like wood, stone, and LED lighting to add depth and character to any room. Incorporate functional and lit shelving into architectural shapes, like these beautiful curved nooks. Make a stunning statement by integrating shelves directly into a dramatic styled tree motif. For a more vintage or traditional touch, use the tree as a framework to display a magnificent collection of framed family photos. A structured grid of personal photos is a modern way to create a deeply emotional home wall. The next idea is for those who like to collect something. These ideas bring nature and story directly into your living space, making your walls unforgettable. Which of these styles is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow for more interior design inspiration. Have a nice day!